A verb expresses an action or a state of being. Being able to identify verbs is crucial to good grammar because every complete sentence in English has at least one verb. They also interact with nouns, which will be discussed in the video on subject-verb agreement. Verbs that express actions are the easiest to identify. Some actions are physical and some actions are mental. All of these words tell you what someone or something is doing or being. These kinds of verbs convey lots of meaning in a sentence, so you should use them well in your writing and look for them when you read a text. English also has about 12 smaller verbs that can be combined with other verbs. These verbs are usually called helping or auxiliary verbs. For example, the sentence, "Your exams will have been graded by Tuesday," actually contains 4 verbs, 1 action verb, graded, and 3 helping verbs. Make sure you memorize all of the helping verbs, as they will appear many times in other grammar lessons. Each verb in English can have many different forms. For example, you can change verbs to reflect when you did something. See if you can identify the verb in this sentence. The verb here is reads. It describes what Anne is doing. Now try this sentence. Remember that verbs can also describe what someone or something is being, or a mental action. So in this case, the verb is feels. The most common being verb, of course, is the verb to be. This verb comes in many different forms. Often the verb to be links the words on either side of it together. If I say, CJC is a Catholic school, I am linking the word CJC with the noun phrase, a Catholic school. If I say, the canteen was crowded, the same principle applies. One tricky thing about the verb to be is that it can also function as a helping verb. Most sentences have more than one verb. So in this sentence, there are 3 verbs. In the next sentence, there are even more. Don't forget to look for helping verbs. There are 5 verbs altogether. The trickiest verbs are ones that are embedded within other phrases. Sometimes there will be other words in between a helping verb and the other verb attached to it. In this case, the main verb is convert. In the previous examples, the helping verbs were right next door, but here we have to look a bit further back. Remember that the word do is a helping verb, and another form of do is did. Therefore, this sentence has a total of 2 verbs. One last example. This one is tricky because it includes what we call contractions. So everyone's is a short form of everyone has, and I'm is a short form of I am. Find the doing and being verbs first. Denying, accepted, decide, and confess. Then find the being verbs and the helping verbs, has, been, am, and will. To summarize, verbs are words that describe doing or being. There is a small group of verbs called helping verbs, and you should make your life easier by memorizing them. Every complete sentence must have at least one verb, but many sentences contain several.